Let's try Flint, Michigan's signature drink.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
But in all seriousness, I went to a local place called Sizzle and Fry. I got some fried chicken and fries. First, let's try the wing. This meat is so tender. Oh my God. And it's fried to absolute perfection. I like how it's not overly seasoned like KFC. This is just delicious fried chicken. I would rate it like a 9.3 out of 10. Some of the best I've ever had. Let's try their fries. I like the vibe they're going with. Super crispy, but it doesn't lose the potato identity. These are really good fries. Let me know if you've ever tried the cuisine of Flint, Michigan.